super excited to be back with you guys. Didn't we miss our bakers?
Oh, yeah.
It's been way too long. Valentina and I took a little bit of a sabbatical to do lots of things in life, but we are back and super excited. Do you want to walk our bakers through our list of ingredients?
Yep. So we got 3 eggs. We have semi-sweet chocolate chips, pure vanilla extract. We have butter, Hershey's, cocoa and flour, cooking spray, and sugar and cocoa.
Perfect. So we have an 8x8 baking pan here that we've lined with some parchment paper. These are really nifty. I get them at the dollar store. They're pre-cut parchment papers, and then I just cut it in half, and this just allows us to pull it out with ease once it's going into the oven. So to start, we are actually going to melt our butter. It needs to be completely melted, so we're gonna pop it in the microwave. All right, bakers, so our butter was in the microwave for exactly 40 seconds. This is 1 cup of butter, which is 2 sticks. Nice, glorious liquid butter.
Can't even stick on the spoon.
All right.
So sad.
So butter goes into the bowl. Everything's better with butter. Butter, 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 everything. Oh, everything. Next in is gonna be our sugar
and Hershey's cocoa.
Cloud of
sugar.
Oh my gosh, I shouldn't have said that. Oh, our stiff cloud. So the cocoa we're using in here, guys, is Hershey cocoa. It's completely unsweetened. We will be adding in chocolate chips, which will add that depth of flavor. If you really want to maximize the chocolate flavor here, I would definitely add a shot of espresso to this. You will not taste the coffee. It just enhances the chocolate flavor, which we've told you guys that in many other videos. So what we're going to do next is we're going to take our whisk. You can also use an electric whisk, and we will show you what it looks like when we get there.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, bakers, so Valentina vigorously mixed our butter, sugar, and a little bit of cocoa powder in, and this is what it will look like.
Or if you don't want to add all these ingredients and do all this work, and you're just too tired, you can just go outside and just grab a pile of mud.
I highly advise. That would not taste very yummy. So what I did was open our chocolate chips. We're using semi-sweet. I would suggest either semi-sweet or dark chocolate for this recipe because it's already very rich and you need something to balance off all of that sweetness. So we need 1.5 cups, and these will be gently folded in with the flour and the remainder of the cocoa powder to create the batter. We're also going to add a splash of vanilla at this time. I'm lying, actually. Scratch that. We need to add our eggs before we add in our flour. So here we have 3 organic eggs. Sometimes an egg will have a little bit of blood in it, or it's already cracked and we don't want to use a bad egg. So we always suggest using a side. You have gotten really good with your egg cracking skills.
I've been making eggs myself.
Perfect.
Yeah, true fact about Valentina. Now we're gonna be mixing our 3 eggs into the batter because we forgot.
All right, bakers. So our brownie mix is looking brownier than ever, as you can see. All right, so I have our flour and our cocoa powder here, and Valentina is going to
add the chocolate chips into the flour and Hershey's cocoa so the chocolate chips don't sink to the bottom.
Right. Pause the thought because Stingy Gingy has something in her mouth.
Stingy Gingy, no mooching!
All right, so this is nice and coated, so we're gonna go ahead and pour it in.
Ooh, yeah. That is the stuff.
I love adding chocolate chips because it creates like little pockets of chocolate when the brownies are baked, and it's just delightful.
Now we're gonna fold this in, and it's gonna look so delicious that we're gonna die.
Folding in is a technique. To fold, you're going to gently go around the batter and cut through the middle. Around the batter
and
cut through the middle.
Around the batter and cut through the middle.
So So this is what your batter will look like. You can see nice and thick. All the flour has been folded in nicely. And you can see those chunks of chocolate chips.
Okay, now we're gonna be pouring the perfectly amazing, dying for batter into the 8x8 pan.
Correct. First, we're gonna spray this with a little bit of butter spray. And then we're gonna take our parchment paper, one strip down the middle this way.
One strip down the middle.
All right, and then the other strip.
One strip down the other middle. Now we're gonna pour the batter into the pan. Now we're gonna smooth it out to the perfection in all the corners and little crevice so we don't miss the perfect square of the brownie when it comes out.
Mm-hmm. So leveling out is super important because you don't want it to have a mountain of batter in the middle, because then the middle will be overly fudgy, I would say, because we always like a little bit of fudge.
Now we're gonna put it into a 350-degree oven for about
35 to 45 minutes. It depends if you like your brownies on the fudgy side. It is going to be around 35. If you like it on the cakey side, it will be around 40. You're looking to insert a skewer into the middle, and there should still be some batter on the toothpick if you want a fudgy brownie, which we want fudgy brownies. I mean, who doesn't want a fudgy brownie?
Who doesn't?
But let us know in the comments, fudgy or cakey. All right, bakers. So our brownies were in the oven for a total of 37 minutes. We inserted a butter knife, came out a little bit with some batter on it, which indicates the fudginess. You can see how glorious it looks. Full disclosure, we had a movie to get to, so this came out of the oven completely cooled. We went to see Inside Out too. It was very, very sweet. Where is Valentina? My co-star is missing. Hold on, I'm going to have to find her.
Hey, I'm Bruce!
Valentina has found my shark blanket.
Oh yeah.
And he's named Bruce after, of course, Finding Nemo Bruce. Fish are friends, not food. All right, Mama, what do you think? Should we dive into these?
Oh yeah. Hey, Mia!
Yeah, baby.
I heard that we have a special guest today.
You know, we do have a special guest joining us today. They're going to come try the brownies with us.
Introducing Liliana!
Well, welcome, Troopster. Are you ready to try some brownies?
Oh yeah!
Mm-hmm. What's your favorite part of the brownie?
Eating it.
That's always a good start. Mine is the corner because I like the crispiness.
Oh,
of it.
you mean the part?
Yes, the part. What about you, Troops?
My favorite part is probably the ends too, yeah.
Yeah? All right. Well, thankfully there's two ends here.
Eating the brownie.
Yes, I think all of our favorite parts is eating the brownie. Brownie cheers.
Oh yeah, all this stuff.
That is heavenly. You can see fudgy, chocolatey because we added those extra chocolate chips. I'm going to dig right into this corner piece. Well, Valentinas, what do we say to our bakers?
Well, bakers, make sure to give us a yummy thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and turn on the notifications. And don't forget to check out our Instagram. Yummy thumbs up. Till next time, bakers.
Ciao for now.
Bye-bye.